not all STIs show symptoms. In fact, you could have one and not even know. Yes. Welcome to Talk Health with Nurse P, where we share simple health tips in practical ways, right? Now let's talk about STIs, sexually transmitted infection, because silence is how they spread, right? Now STIs are infection that pass through sexual contact. Take note. STIs are sexually transmitted infections that are passed through sexual contact. It could be vaginal, it could be oral, it could be anal, right? Now, what are the common sexually transmitted infections that probably you've heard about? Yes, number 1 is gonorrhea. Yes. Number 2 is syphilis. Number 3, chlamydia, and we have the most popular one, HIV, right? You could also Google other types of sexually transmitted infection. Do not mix it up with sexually transmitted disease. Disease is when the infection has caused harm to the body, right? Yes. So now, many STIs do not show symptoms at all. That is the problem I have with STIs. They are not like UTIs, urinary tract infection. Sexually transmitted infection many of them do not show signs at all. Yes, you can feel completely fine and still have this infection. Now, if they even happen to show like something that looks like symptoms, like just a little symptoms, it's usually very few. Example, unusual discharge in a woman. Unusual discharge, pain during urination or during sex could be a sign of a sexually transmitted infection. There could be genital sores, right? Like small sores on your genitals. Or you could experience itching, severe itching. And another one is lower abdominal pain. Could also come as a sign of STIs, right? Now, that is the problem with STIs. Most of them do not actually show signs. They come without signs until they have migrated to become disease. That is when they begin to show you symptoms, right? Now, what are the things to do to prevent yourself from being a carrier of sexually transmitted infection? Because as of now in Nigeria, the increase in sexually transmitted infections is, it's really on a high side. Right? So what can you do to prevent yourself from being a carrier of this infection? Number 1, I would always start with is abstinence, because if you've abstained, you will not find yourself in that position. If you're abstaining from sexual activities, you will not, be a carrier of sexually transmitted infection. Because I know there are persons that are saying, yes, I'm not having sex vaginally, right? But are also indulging in oral sex or anal sex. You are still putting yourself at risk to sexually transmitted infection. So abstinence is the best. Now, if for any reason you are indulging in sexual activities, what you should do is use a protection, right? Use a protection. Avoid having multiple sexual partners, because you do not know how people are, how your partners are, if they are faithful or not, of which faithfulness cannot be mentioned when you're having multiple partners, because you are not even faithful. Yes, so avoid multiple sexual partners, right? Get tested regularly. If for any reason you want to be doing this thing, please get yourself tested and communicate with your partner openly. For those that are married, please speak to your partner. Let her not find out that you have one sexually transmitted infection or the other later. Let him not find out that you have this thing already. Communicate and let both of you find a way to solve the problem at hand, right? Yes, most especially if you're having an infection like gonorrhea, HIV, please. Gonorrhea does not show sign in women mostly. It is always in the men that it is always showing sign. But who gets to have like a life-threatening effect. It is the women, because gonorrhea exposes women to infertility. If you leave gonorrhea untreated in a woman, that woman will have difficulties in childbirth, right? So please communicate openly with your partner. While you guys are in courtship, please tell her, oh, I've been struggling with this infection, and let her know how to protect herself against it. Get tested. Don't say I trust the person, I know the person. Get yourself tested of this infection, right? If you're sexually active, getting tested is not a sign of shame, right? It's a sign that you're ready to take responsibility of your health. Visit a clinic and get tested. Know your status and protect yourself and other people. Please protect yourself first, because your health is your power. Do not forget, your health is your power, and I will not want you to gamble with it, right? If you found this post helpful, please like our post, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, drop a comment, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.